10-point difference yun. Kayang-kaya ng mga ganitong level ng mga teams. Eto na, naka-basket na rin kagad, naka-field goal itong si Calvin Optana. 4 points na siya.
Dito sa Inares Center sa Montalban. Toughen from Dave. Punches it through.
That's already 2 3-pointers para dito kay Top, and he has 8 points. Tools, Jason Perkins in his bag.
Speaking of maraming tools, pinakitaan ka ni Optana ng lefty finger roll dyan.
Actually, like
Perkins looking for the angle.
sa kabila yung mga white shirts, parang medyo nagmamadali doon sa kanilang offense. Meanwhile, para naman sa yet.
Soyo trying to clean it up. He goes the other way, Jolly.
Just hold on to the fort habang wala sila Perkins, not si Raul Solis.
Nambatak to Pugoy from the right side. Hanging in the air, Roger Ray cuts their deficit to 10.
Understanding na hindi pumapasok ang mga tres ko, mga
Bagong pasok si Verano, binigay kay Azul. 3-pointer on the way. Panglima na para sa Phoenix yan.
Biglang gusto ko yung ginawang pagpo-point guard ni Rafi Verano na yun. Spotting a wide open RJ Azul.
Montalban. Perkins powers his way through. Araruhan ang naman.
At yung malaki ang inararo niya ng puntong yun, si JP Eram.
Si Eran nung atakihin niya, may 3 personal foul na balunggay. And Kai will light it up on the other side.
And we were talking about him. Ang tagal na patulina dahil sa 3 personal fouls. Comes in.
Si Escobar at nandun sa gilid-gilid. Si David. Tio this time with the left.
Parang narinig tayo ni Tyler Tio that we have to produce some points. Help Jason, help Kenneth stop it.
Enciso bounces to Nambata. 3 ball from the corner. Stingray hits it.
A conscious effort to get Ray Nambata going.
Ang problema doon sa loose ball na probable rebound play, merong tumumba, iimbestigahan ang referee Stalin niya. At birthday weekend pa niya. Noong panahon na yun, kaya triple gastos si Mark Parroque dyan. Sigurado.
Aray ko. Maliit na bagay, sabi ni Mark Parroque.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Coach John. Jason, jab step fake. Now bangs bodies, goes to the one-legged fadeaway.
Akala mo you did your job na by pushing him out. Ang layo na niyan tumanggap. Pero still nagano.
Si Castro na lang at saka si Kelly yata natitira mula sa lineup niya. Macho pushes that lead to its largest. 25 puntos na po ang abante ng Phoenix.
By committee na sila, di ba? Everybody gagaling di ba? Xavier Lucero is also having a conference kasi on the Magnolia side.
Yan pong May 11 game, San Miguel versus Phoenix will be at the Ninoy Aquino Stadium. About maybe an hour away from Cubao, the heart of the metropolis.
Sama-sama tayo, manlalaro, tapos yun na.